أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Mu'mineen, Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll perform the A'mal for the day of Arafah, inshallah. So, let's look at the recommended A'mal that are to be performed on this blessed day. The first Amal is to perform ghusl. So, it is highly recommended that anybody who wants to do the A'mal, he or she should take ghusl before the amal. That is inshallah recommended, and it would add to the thawab of the amal. Just performing the ghusl is one of the part of the amal, so inshallah perhaps this would be the easiest thing, and most of the mu'mineen should be able to do it without any problem. And there is another amal, which is the ziyarat of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and ziyarat of Janab Muslim ibn Aqil, and then namaz, and then followed by some general amal for the day of Arafah, and then there is a tasbih and another small dua, and then dua of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and then there is a dua of Imam Sajjad alayhi salam as well, ziyarat jamia, and some small duas for the last hours of the day of Arafah, dua asharat, and so on. So let's discuss first the importance of this day, and then we will start the a'mal. So the ninth day of Zilhijja is one of the greatest days in Islam. On this day, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands His servants to perform extra ibadat, and He has extended for them the tables of His rahmat and His mercy. Uh, on this day, too, shaitan becomes abject, lowly, expelled, and angry more than any other day. It is narrated that Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam on the 9th of Zilhijjah heard someone begging people for financial aid. The Imam alayhi salam said to him, woe is you! On such a day, do you beg other than Allah? On this day, even fetus in the wombs of their mothers are expected to be included in the mercy of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they will be delighted. So there are many recommended a'mal and du'as, etc., and acts of worship that to be recommended to be performed on this day for those who have the honor of being present on the Mount of Arafat. However, the best deed on this day is to pray to Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, since the most distinctive feature of the day of Arafah is praying. So it is recommended and advisable to pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the good of one's brothers and sisters, and those who have passed away, and even those who are with us alive. And Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam has mentioned a great merit for anyone who prays for the good of his brethren in faith, brothers in Islam, on Mount Arafat on the 9th day of Zilhijjah. In fact, this narration is worth ponderation and consideration. So, seizing this opportunity, we would like to ask anyone using this work to please remember all your brothers and sisters in faith on this day, and especially those who have made this work possible. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfill all our hajat.